Hello, my people. As you can tell, I look different, and because one, I cut-ish my bangs. I mean, I just trimmed them a little bit, but I'm going for scene. I'm not there. It's so sad. Oh, and on my hand is Love and Austin because I was taking pictures like, yeah. And I have extensions in. And my hair, normally done as I normally do it, I just put extensions, cheap extensions in just to see what they would look like before I go and spend like over $100 on extensions. And I think I like them. What do you think? Well, not like this whole thing, but like overall they look good. What do you think? Yeah. And I'm also wearing a fancy dress because facing that way because fancy dresses make me feel pretty. Yeah. Oh God! Look at my dog. That is scary. Can you see her? Look. Okay, so I'm gonna go check on her.